Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all things Amazon products, hotels, and ways to make money online programs. So today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new 35-piece screwdriver set. I do want to say thank you to the company for setting it out for reviews. So let's go take a look at it. It's come in very handy, honestly. So you can see in this nice carrying case. Just go and open it up. Quick user manual there. Like I said, 35 different pieces that you can use. And here's some of the other ones as well. All right, so let's go and actually look at the torque screwdriver. So the way it works is if you pull this down like that, you're able to adjust the torque here. So let's go ahead and drop it a little bit. So right there, you're looking at about 62 pounds of torque. Like you can move it down, you can move it up, but once you're done, lock that in and then it's literally good to go. So let's go ahead and actually try it on and see how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and open the back of my laptop, but we're gonna want to go ahead and set this to, I don't know, like 15 pounds. All right, now let's try it out. Let's do this one. Perfect. And if we wanted to get some of these other ones here as well. Perfect. That should be out. All right. Yes, there it is. So you can see, very nice precision torque screwdriver. So let's go ahead and put these back. Close this up. Perfect. So you can see, very, very simple to use. Adjust this however you like. Put up more torque or less, and then go ahead and just lock it in just like that. All right, guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new torque screwdriver, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so I can get yours. Highly recommend.